I walk on, them lights are not normal.
Whoa, look at that thing in the sky, man. A real spaceship right above the Blue Mountains. I gotta run. Look upon that. A spaceship. Them can't see me, you know? Me not afraid, you hear? But me no want them see me. This thing real, eh? Bigfoot live. Me run and me run until me reach this cave right there in the Blue Mountain. Them nearly catch me, you see? Look here now, a spaceship in the sky. It must be that little alien boy from Kingston. Good morning, everyone. Today for breakfast, we're having some delicious Blue Mountain porridge. It was too close last night with that spaceship in the Blue Mountains. Me did well nervous. It's me, Bigfoot, the only Bigfoot in Jamaica, walking in the Blue Mountains. It's morning time and I'm heading to the river. Thanks for watching. See you next time.